Guys, it's Fluff Daddy here, and I'm going to show you how to wag. Yeah!
Thanks for watching windowcleaner.com. Make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe.
Old high flyer, new high flyer. This is not very floppy. Doesn't want to come undone. This one doesn't want to stay together. Why's everything got to be so noisy? Jeez. Well, anyway, all right. I'm gonna do wagtail basics, especially this high flyer. It's a 14-inch. Show you some neat, cool little tricks. First, soap it up. There's a couple of ways you could do this. You can flick it back, then clean the window. But what I do is do this, turn my hand upside down, let it drop, and then clean the window. That. Once again, just let it drop. So, in a fast motion, looks something like this. So it's like always quick for me. This is extra loose. It has a little stopper on it. Doesn't really catch anymore because I've worked this thing so many times. So it doesn't really matter. Do that. You can do this. Or just do that. Just drop it. But let gravity take over. And that is a basic high flyer technique. All right, we're gonna put this angle arm on here. I'm gonna show you some neat little things you can do with this. Okay. All right, it makes it easier for the drop. For one, you could do just all kinds of crazy stuff. All right, this is with the pole. Say you got some high glass, whatever. It's the same thing. Just turn, drop. Cool thing about this pole is I can clean this whole entire glass just like that. It's a short little stubby PVC wagtail pole. So again, I know I keep cleaning the same ones, but I want to show you. It's the same stuff. All right, just turn, drop. Or if you're right-handed. I almost can't do this because I clean left-handed all the time. If you're right-handed, drop. Okay, another thing I want to point out is the amount of detailing I have to do to this window. No tricks, no tricks. All right, so if you've been following along, the only tricks that I've showed you is stuff like this. Ooh, that don't look good. Just drop, do my drop motion. That's how I make it so quick. All right, so we're going for zero detailing as soon as I can get all the soap off the glass. Zero detailing. Zero detailing. Zero detailing. this concludes the day where I show you how to wag. It's been fun. Thanks for sticking around with me. Make sure to check with Window Cleaning Resource Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for the next available video from the content creators at Window Cleaning Resource. And hey, thanks for coming along with me.
Thanks for watching WindowCleaner.com on YouTube. If you liked the video, please thumbs up and subscribe. And make sure to check back every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday so you don't miss a video. And if you break out in hives without your fluffy fix, check out his channel, Fluff Daddy, on YouTube.